the beats, Shaka on 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 the beats.
Alright, so as you guys just saw, here is Operation Chevelle. It's been really dirty. We got it out, we've got it washed up, got it all cleaned up. This is what I was wanting to show you guys. I was wanting to get it outside, I was wanting to get it cleaned up so we can see it outside instead of sitting in the garage all dirty. So all the body work is done on it. The stripes are painted. They are not a decal on there, they are painted in and clear coated over. So here is Operation Chevelle, guys. Welcome to the channel. Hopefully you guys are excited as I am to start getting going on this build. But like I said, all the body work's done, all the paint's done. It is very straight. The body work is really nice. I'm extremely happy with the body work on it. The car is absolutely perfect for me. We did not do stripes on the roof. Got some old decals in there, but we did the stripes on the trunk as well. So here it is from the back, and as you can see, it is missing a lot. Here is the exhaust for it. A bunch of parts are off of it. It's going to be an amazing build series of Operation Chevelle. Hopefully you are enjoying this outside in the light. The reflection on it is absolutely amazing. Inside I do have the seats reupholstered, but I also have a lot of stuff in here. As you can see, there's no carpet, door panels, dash, headliner is not in the car. I do have a new dash pad. Like I said, the seats are reupholstered, so there's a lot of work in the inside. We'll be watching that come along. So the interior will be one thing we'll be doing. We need to do the chrome trim around the windshield. There's a bunch of chrome trim on the bottom. That stuff will be getting polished up, put on the car. Here is under the hood. The wiring harness all needs to be rewrapped is what I'll be doing. Fixing it, getting rid of some of these horrible little butt connectors. Fixing it up really nice. Of course, inside the engine bay does need cleaned. This, if this is your first time stopping in the video, this is a big block 396 out of a 69 SS Chevelle. All numbers match, intake, everything. There has been some work done to this engine. It has been bored 30 over. It does have a cam. There's some other stuff. We'll get into that later once we start putting parts on the engine and getting all of that put together so we can get this thing started up and running. So you can see I don't have any of the sound deadener or insulation under the hood. Underneath the hood is painted to match as well. Under the hood, I previously put all new rubber under it. There is a lot more rubber bushings and stops and everything that we need to be putting on. But that is just a quick overview of it. This is a 1968. It is not an SS. We will be doing an SS clone on it. That's what I want to do. That's why I went with the 396. So we'll be doing some SS badges, but it is not an original SS car. I'm not afraid to admit that and tell you guys that, because it's still going to be extremely awesome. And I can't wait to get this build going. I've had this car for a really long time. We're finally getting parts. We're going to be doing the build series on it. If you enjoyed this video, if this is your first time stopping in, welcome to the channel. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Follow videos on Operation Chevelle. Hit that bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a video, so you can stay up to date and you will not miss an upload of the Chevelle. I'm going to keep this short and sweet. I'm just going to do an overview. We got it washed up. We got it outside. I wanted to show you guys the car outside. If there's more you're wanting to see, comment below. Also comment below. Let me know what you think. If you're excited for this build series, but we're going to be getting this on the road. And thank you guys for stopping in and checking out the video. And as always, remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with a friend, share it with a buddy, share the video somewhere you think that someone might enjoy it as well. And I will catch you guys all in the next one. And until then, take care.